Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel English with Farshad. The previous video was about how to talk like a native English speaker. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the link here and I highly recommend you to watch it. In this video, I'm gonna explain lots of information about the latest topic. If you have plenty of questions in your mind, here I am to clarify the situation. Because in this video, I'm gonna answer frequently asked questions about how to speak like a native English speaker. Keep up with me and let's find it out! I have a question. Is it really important to talk like a native English speaker? The answer to this in most cases is no. I myself suggest most learners should aim to be well understood and speak clear and easy to understand English. According to Wikipedia, there are over 1 billion English speakers and 300 million native English speakers. So, native English speakers are becoming much more familiar with English accents. For those people working with older people, or those in the country sounding more like a local can be more important. Many of the doctors explain that older people can find heavily accented pronunciation more difficult to comprehend, and it makes doing their job harder. Okay, thank you for your answer. But my question is it possible to speak like a native English speaker? Yes. Is it possible to speak English like a native English speaker if you're willing to put the time and energy in to learn? Over time, if you converse with enough people, watch enough movies, reading enough books, and most importantly, get enough practice, your accent and speaking style will dramatically improve. Thank you, I got it, but I have another question. I don't have enough time, but I want to know how long does it take to speak like a native English speaker? This completely depends on the person and the amount of time you're spending practicing. If you speak English every day, you're much more likely to pick things up quickly. However, if you're learning for a year, but you only speak English once a week at your English class, things could take lots longer. Yes, you're right. But how can I learn native English faster? If you have the chance to live in the UK, this is one of the best options for speeding up the process of learning to speak like a native English speaker. Living in the UK means you will be able to interact with the native English speakers every day, allowing you to pick up slangs, idioms, and commonly used phrases. Okay, but for the last question, how can I improve my English accent? Again, your accent will improve the more you're around native English speakers. You can also improve your accent by watching movies, TV programs, or listening to music. Guys, thank you for watching me again. I hope answering to these frequently asked questions could help you to make your path more easier in the process of learning English. If you have more questions about this, I'm here to answer. Ask me in the comments and I will certainly answer them. If you enjoy watching this video, hit the like button for me and leave all your comments below. And for the last but not the least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and never miss out any of my videos.